This has been a game changer for me as far as upping my game as a writer and as a piano teacher. You just have this large, wonderful resource available to you and people who are available. Hi, my name is Rebekah Maxner, and I'm a piano teacher in Nova Scotia, Canada. And I teach students primarily between the ages of 6 and 12, although I do have some advanced students and even some adult students. I have a home-based studio in Hantsport. I have 2 pianos in this studio. I have my student piano, which is an acoustic, and I have an electric piano that I play on side by side. I saw an invitation from Tim Topham inviting people to join, or piano teachers to join, who might have had a project on the back burner for years or for a period of time. And it spoke to me because that was me. I wrote some piano materials back in the early 2000s, and I have always wanted to go back and edit them and republish them. But life kind of got in the way, and I've never really had the kick from someone to say, okay, it's time to do this now. And that's kind of what I got from Tim. One of the new things that teachers are learning about is teaching online. And so the ideas that you find at TopMusicPro are great for online teaching. One thing that I should mention is the Top Music Sheets. Every level of membership comes with Top Music Sheets. It's basically a piano book every month that comes free with your membership. And you are able to share these files with your students online, so it's so easy to get the music to them. You just send them the music, and it makes online lessons a lot easier. They have also workshops that you can watch that are all recorded. And so all you have to do is go on their site and search for something, and you find what you're looking for. One of the most valuable things that a teacher can get out of Top Music is the community. The community is amazing and incredible. And the people that you meet who are also members are really inspiring people to know. They've got all kinds on the go. They're doing really interesting things. It's so interesting to hear all the different projects that people are working on, or how they're building up their piano studios, or how they're kind of making music and making life better in their own communities. Absolutely. You can find whatever your student's interest is and run with that. And you can really search for topics that will help you be a better teacher to your individual students. I would definitely recommend Top Music membership to piano teachers, regardless of where you are in your career. If you're just starting out, or if you are a seasoned piano teacher who's been teaching for 40 years, I guarantee you that you will find resources that will help you take the next steps in your career.